In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your domain to HubSpot. To do that, first head over right here into your settings or gear icon. Once you have clicked on this will direct you to the settings of your HubSpot. So for this case, locate the option called website. So if you can't find it, you can also click onto the search and search right here for website in order to actually see it right there. Alternatively, to make things much more direct, you can also search for domain altogether. Now click onto this domain manager. Once you have done that, you can see the domain that's already been connected so far. I have right here the system domain from HubSpot himself as well as redirected domains. So I want to connect my own domain, so click on this connect a domain. You can choose hosting or email sending. I'll choose hosting. Then from there, click on connect. After that, just input right here your details. I'll input right here www. Then let's input right here. This is just an example. Is tutorial.net. Then after you do that, you can head over and click on next if it's available, and you should be able to follow the on-screen instruction in order to set it up. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.